Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're looking at Volutz cables. These are cables for the iPhone, and we'll show you that they are well made. So inside you get the Velcro holder right there. And we like that they're braided. It's a nylon braiding right here. And there is a cover over this, and then there's a hard plastic on the inside. So hard plastic, and then you have a rubberized outer coating, and then this is stress relief for bending. So if you use your iPhone a lot for charging, it's got it on both sides of the cable. This would be the one to get. You know, Apple's cable provides very little for bending, very little protection. So you can find these on their website, Volutz, also on Amazon. So again, here's a different color, same type design. This is for the iPhone and iPad. And the internal parts are very good as well. They say they provide just slightly better charging capability than the Apple cables themselves. So you can see the breakout view here of how they're built. So you have that hard plastic inside and that rubberized coating, and then of course the dual housing and tough connection on the outside. This is a 6.5 foot cable. It's nylon jacketed, as we mentioned, and it's from a company called Volutz. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and on Instagram. Thanks.